Hey, what's up guys? We're back again with another video today, and today I'm really excited to be bringing you guys another unboxing video. And today I'm really excited guys, we got some minifigures for you guys today. A couple different kinds of minifigures here. We're gonna go ahead and be opening up a couple Lego Minifigures Series 22 blind bags. I have a couple of these. It's gonna be really exciting to open those up. These are sealed, have not opened them before. And then I have one package here actually from a place called Minifigure Dreams, guys. So there is the package. I do have one other order from this vendor on my channel. If you want to go ahead and check it out, it's actually under super rare prototype Lego Star Wars minifigure. Haul. It's that video. You'll see it's got a green figure for the thumbnail. So I would recommend going ahead and checking that out if you haven't seen it already. But sorry guys, I thought that fell. But so anyway guys, we ended up getting an order from them again, and if you did not see my other one, I would recommend checking that out. But without further ado, I think we're going to go ahead and open up these Lego Minifigures series first. See what we get, guys. So let's open this up, see what we get here. I think we can just bust this open from the bottom, actually. Let's see. Yep, nice and easy. Okay, so it looks like in this figure we got... Oh, okay. So that's cool. Looks like we got the girl with the horse minifigure. Not sure what you would call her, but there you are. That is our first pull, guys. I think it's very interesting that they separated out now with the horse and the other thing. It's almost like you're getting two figures in this one, huh guys? That's very cool, very cool. So that's awesome. This is our first pull from the one Lego minifigure series. Is that all of the pieces? Yes, so they are all there. Okay. Let's get that out of the way, and we'll go ahead and open up our next Lego minifigure blind bag. Let's see what we get in this next one, guys. We don't need the scissors once again. And this one, guys, sweet. We did go ahead and pull... Oh, don't lose it. Yeah, we did go ahead and pull the the Forestman, guys. The blue Forestman, my absolute favorite figure in this whole series. I'm very excited to have pulled this figure, guys. This is really cool. I'm going to go ahead and try to build him really quickly, just because I know I can. This is very exciting, guys. I'm super happy to have gotten this. They include a ton of accessories with these figures nowadays, guys. So that is very cool. Just one more step. We'll put this on. And here we are, guys. So this is our Forestman figure. Very cool. Very cool. So we ended up pulling him in the set. Yeah. We ended up pulling the Forestman figure in the set, as well as this girl here in the horseback riding girl. So let's go ahead and build her really quickly too while we have the chance. And put this little smiley face on her. Give her her little hat. And her carrot to be feeding the lovely animal. And there we are, guys. We have our horseback girl and our Forestman gentleman. So that is what we ended up pulling today in today's set. That is very cool, guys. I'm very happy to have gotten these in today's pull. Very cool stuff. Very exciting. So that is what we got in today's two little minifig packages. Let's go ahead and move on to the main reason we are here today, though, guys, which is going to be this package here on the left, guys, which is very exciting. I cannot wait to get this open. Let's go ahead and do so, guys. Get this out of the way. Make sure we keep track of these accessories, though. Like I said, I'm really happy with how much accessories they include nowadays. That's very cool. Alright guys, without any further waiting, let's go ahead and get into the last part of today's video. This package, guys, from Minifigure Dreams. I can't wait to open this up. Okay, got a drink of water and now we are ready, guys. Let's go ahead and open up this package here. See what we get. Very exciting. I cannot wait to get this one open, guys. Looks like she's coming out nice and easy. Yes, yes, that's what we need. Just what we need. And looks like we're about there. Okay, guys, open up. We don't need to see any of that information. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way first. Oh my god, guys, you guys are not going to believe this. What a sight to see, guys. So, I'll show you guys what I just saw. What an amazing little thing, guys. Look, this is what you would see if you open this up. What a beautiful little fucking package, guys. Alright, so here we are, guys. Boom. We got some more prototype Lego Star Wars Clone Troopers, guys. I'm so excited to have finally gotten some more of these. We got the blue one this time, and I got some more green ones. I am very excited, as I do already have one of these green ones built over here, guys, as you can see. So we ended up getting some more of these guys. I'm very happy to have finally gotten these guys and finally able to open them up. So this is very cool. We got some more of them guys, as you can see. Very exciting. I can't believe how cool these guys are. Now I will go ahead and build at least one of the blue guys really fast so I could just show you guys how cool these are. Because these are just darn cool figures, guys. I can't believe how cool these are. It looks like we already have them built. So that's just sweet, guys. Get this out of the way. This box out of the way. As you can see, guys, those are the figures we got today. And here we are. Here is the two figures. Oh, that is so cool. Look at those guys. Awesome. Very cool figures. Those look excellent. Absolutely excellent. Wow. Those look very cool. I'm so happy I was able to unbox these with you guys. Make sure you go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to my channel, guys, if you are enjoying this video. Oh, those are so cool. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Wow, guys, that's awesome. I'm so happy to have gotten those. So, like I said, as you can see, in today's haul, we ended up getting these awesome prototype trans blue and green Lego Star Wars Clone Troopers, as well as some of the random minifigure series. We got the Forestman and the Horse Girl and her horse. So once again, guys, a very cool little video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, like I said earlier, if you did enjoy. And go ahead and check out my last video for a giveaway announcement, guys. I want you guys to go ahead and look at my last video so that you could see the giveaway announcement I made on there. Other than that, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, leave a like and subscribe to the video if you did. Yeah, it would really help my channel grow a lot, guys. I really enjoy making these videos, so please do so. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.